Good morning, all of you. So today we are going to start a new chapter for class 10 civics. The name of the chapter is power sharing. In this chapter we will discuss about the two countries. Number one, Belgium, and the another is Sri Lanka. Before we start the chapter, we will have to look through the two countries. First of all, Belgium. Belgium is a small European country which is smaller than the size of Haryana. Its population is little more than 1 crore. The ethnic composition of Belgium is very diverse. In Belgium, 3 regions are there: Flemish region, Wallonia region, and the capital of Belgium, that is Brussels. So we'll have to discuss about the ethnic composition. First of all, 59% of the total population speaks Dutch and lives in Flemish region. Percent of the people speaks French language, lives in Wallonia region. The remaining 1% population speaks German. So there one question arises. Question will be, what is the ethnic composition of Belgium? Ethnic composition of Belgium. It is the homework for all of you. You have to write the ethnic composition of Belgium. That means what percentage of total population speaks what and lives in which region. You have to complete this one. Okay. Now we'll head towards another country, that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation which is also our southern neighbor. That means it is situated in the south of our country. Sri Lanka, it is an island nation situated on the south of India. It got independence from British rule in the year 1948. It got independence in the year 1948. It is also a small nation. The ethnic composition of Sri Lanka is also diverse, like Belgium. So two types of people lives in Sri Lanka on the basis of language. The population which are distributed on the basis of language are called linguistic groups. Which group? Linguistic groups. So two types of languages are spoken in Sri Lanka. One is Sinhala and another one is Tamil. Majority of the people in Sri Lanka speak Sinhala. That means 74% of the total population speaks Sinhala and 18% of the population speaks Tamil. Tamil have another two types of population. One is Sri Lankan Tamil which is 13%. Another one is Indian Tamil which is more around 5%. So students, till now we have discussed about two countries. One is Belgium. Belgium is a European country. We have discussed about the ethnic composition of Belgium. Another one we discussed about Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor. The ethnic composition of Sri Lanka we have also discussed. We have discussed about the different linguistic group which are found in Sri Lanka. Now, second homework I have given. The first homework is that ethnic composition of Belgium. The second homework you have to write the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. I hope you understand this chapter from this video. Thank you very much.